In the age of giants, the aircraft carrier rules the sea, but tiny drones are coming for its crown. This is the new threat, a fleet. Autonomous drone swarms, small, smart, and deadly. Each drone alone is weak. Together, they think, hunt, and strike as one.
Against them stands a floating city, the aircraft carrier, America's $13 billion fortress.
Loaded with jets, missiles, and thousands of sailors, it projects power anywhere on Earth. But how do you stop 1,000 enemies too small to track?
Carriers are adapting, deploying their own counter-swarms.
In future wars, it won't be one missile. It'll be a swarm.
The fight looks chaotic, but it's pure algorithm versus algorithm. These swarms use AI coordination cortus, reacting in milliseconds, far faster than human crews. One hit might not sink a ship, but hundreds striking at once? A different story.
The carrier's first defense: close-in weapon systems, shooting thousands of rounds per second.
It can shred missiles, but can it handle a cloud of 500 drones? Even advanced radar struggles when targets move like insects. Enter the laser era, silent beams that cut through incoming threats.